Hello everyone, welcome to Lab 12. Today we will learn some basic Linux command that include how to use ls space hyphen wall, pwd, cd, exit, mkdir, nano, firefox, if config, cd space dot dot, clear, and then we will create it on a small HTML website and we will open that website using the local host. Okay, so let's get started. The first, I'm going to open the virtual box. So in the search box, type virtual box. Oracle virtual box or virtual box. So you should already have the virtual box and also the Kali Linux machine in your system. If not, you should watch my lab 11 where I show you how to add the Kali Linux virtual machine in the virtual box. Okay, so as soon as you open, it will be power off. So you have to start. So click start button, and then it will take a few seconds or maybe 1 minute up to 1 minute to completely finish the boot up process and be available the Kali Linux. I can minimize this virtual box for now. So virtual machine will be open in the separate window. So still the booting process is going on. So you see that small window on the right side. You can close this one by click on this close button. So based on your system memory or based on your speed, this Kali Linux will take a time. So for me, I think it took only 15-20 seconds. So now username is Kali and password also is Kali. So as soon as you enter the credential, you will land it to the Kali Linux dashboard. So now first we are going to open the terminal. To open the terminal in Kali Linux, we can open it several ways. The first, if you want to open through the shortcut using the keyboard, you can press Ctrl, Alt, and letter T. It will open the Kali Linux. Then, if you want to open anywhere in the folder, right now I am in the desktop. If you want to open Kali terminal in the desktop, so right click, you have to right click, then open terminal here. So it will open terminal here, and at the end you see the desktop. So that means we open the Kali Linux terminal in the desktop. That's why it's already open. I show the desktop location. Now, on the top, you see this is the terminal icon. So you can click on this terminal icon. It will open the terminal here. And if you want to open this terminal as a root, you can click on the drop down and use the root terminal. But this root terminal, it will require the username. The password is Kali. If you enter Kali here, and you should be able to log in. And also, if you need to use the PowerShell, you can open the PowerShell from here as well. So let me open the terminal, regular terminal, not the root user. So the first command we are going to use today is ifconfig. So ifconfig will show you the network information, your computer IP address, your MAC address, all the information will be displayed. And you see the ETI 0 based on your system. If you see ETIs, so that means this is the physical virtual connection that is for your Kali Linux that is going out to the internet or any internet or your local machine. So this is the direct connection. And then you see LO. LO stands for local, and the local IP is 127.0.0.1. So we will use this IP address at the end where we will launch our website. Okay. So that is for if config. Now, if you want to clear this screen for your next comment that we are going to learn today, you can use clear to clear the screen. Okay, so this is here clear. So now if you want to see like current work directory right now, like if you're not sure where your cursor uh, where your terminal is open right now, right? To see that, we have to use the PWD present work directory. So right now we are under home and Kali. So now if you want to see, if you want to move from this directory to the any directory, first you need to see what information or what folder or what file is available under this Kali. You need to see that, right? So you can type ls. If you type ls, we see the desktop, document, download, and there is one file, right? All this information. So if you want to go to the desktop from Kali, so you have to say cd change directory to desktop. Enter. So right now we are in the desktop folder. And if you want to see what information you have in the desktop, you can type ls. Right now, I don't have any file or folder in the desktop that's visible to people. I don't have it. But if you want to see hidden folder, a hidden folder or file, we can type ls space -all. So right now, you see total 8 files are available in the desktop, but all of them are hidden. The next comment we can type is cd space ... So if you type cd space ... it will take you the parent directory. So who is the parent of desktop? Parent of desktop is Kali, right? Kali. Right now, if I type PWD again, so how you identify the parent? So Kali is the child of home, right? So that means home is the parent of Kali. So now if I type cd space ... it will take you to the parent directory, which is home. Right now, if I say PWD again, you see home. So cd space ... it will take you to the parent directory. Now, if I want to exit the terminal, either you can click X button, or if you want to type or programmatically, you can type exit. It will close the terminal. Okay. So now our next requirement, we have to create a new folder called pen test within the desktop directory. So, in the right now I'm in the desktop. If I right click and if I create a document, empty file, you can do that. But we want to do through the command line. So how we can do that? So open terminal again, and we have to go to the desktop, right? We need to create the pen test folder or directory inside the desktop. So first we have to go to the desktop. So how I can navigate to the desktop? So change directory cd desktop, and then we have to create a directory called pentest. To create a directory, we have to type mkdir and name of the directory, which is pentest. Enter. So as soon as you enter, you see pentest is create here. Okay. So now if I type ls again, I will see the pentest. Before it wasn't anything, right? It was empty. Okay, let's move on. So now we have to navigate to the pentest folder. So now we have to, right now we are on the desktop, but we want to be at the pentest folder. So let's navigate to the pentest. So cd pentest. Enter. So right now we are at the pentest directory. Now if I say ls, it should be empty because nothing is there. You can verify, you see, nothing is here, is empty. Now, next we have to create step number 12. We create a file called index.html inside the pentest. So a requirement is, so this is our pentest folder, right? In the Pinterest folder right now, I don't have it anything, so I need to create a file called index.html. So let me clear the screen. And to create the file, we have to use command called nano space and name of the file. So name is index.html. And as soon as you enter, it will take you the nano window. So this is the nano window. You can type anything you like here, right? ABCD, whatever. But I have a one HTML file ready. I'm going to copy that file. So this file I'm going to use from my website. So right click, copy, and just paste here. Okay. So this is the HTML file. And now I need to exit and save. To exit, you have to press Ctrl X. Then it will give you the warning, save, modify buffer. You have to press yes. Then another warning, name file to write, index.html. Just press enter. It will exit the file. So as soon as you do this, you see the index.html file is created inside the pentest folder. Let me go there. So double click on pentest. You see index.html here. Now we are going to open this file using Firefox. So which is right here. So to type Firefox space and name of the file, which is index.html. So you see, welcome to my website, Learn with Rubel. This is test page. So right now you see how this file open, right? We do not want this file open like this. We will pass the website like this one, 127.0.1, right? HTTP, right? This is how we should open the website. We will do that. So now, before we reach there, let me show you another thing. So this is how you can open your website using the Firefox command. But if you want to open the website directly from here, you can do right click, open with Firefox. It also open your website. Next, so in order for to open, use the 127.0.0.1 here, 127.0.0.1. So this is our local host, right? So if you want to open like this, or if you type local host, right, it has to, this information has to run through the server, right? This is connected to the server, and the server name is Apache 2. So we need to make sure that Apache 2 server is running or not. If not, then we have to start the Apache server. So I'm going to open the terminal, and to check if the server is running or not, we have to type sudo service Apache 2 status. And we have to provide the password, which is Kali. Right now, you see Apache service status is, you see active. Right now, it shows inactive. So it has to be active. So that means the server is not running. So we have to start the server. To start the server, we have to type sudo service Apache 2 start. Enter. And server is start. And I'm going to check the status again. As you see, before it was inactive. Right now, it's active and it is running. So now if I go to my browser and open, if I go to my browser now and type 127.0.0.1. You see, I'm able to see my website. Welcome to my website, Learn with Ruby. And also you can verify localhost. You see, it is also working. Thank you.